Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this device. To turn on this watch, simply press and hold the side button until you see the Amazfit logo on the screen. So let's press and hold it. And once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting into system. And as you can see, we are bugging the system, and that's how you turn on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.